Good morning, my dear students, actually SSC candidates in 2021. Today I have just selected our chapter 2. It's also a revision topics and also the revision chapter, and it's also the assignment based chapter. And I have just selected basically two topics. First topic is the cell organelles and second topic is the chloroplast and also the plastic. Please everyone open the books and the chapter 2. Here the first category I have just draw. I just draw two topics in plant cell and also the animal cell. Here's the plant cell and also the animal cell. I have just compared the two cell organelles. First organelles is also the one is the cell wall. My dear students, is the plant cell, the cell wall. But the animal cell or also the animal cell, it has no any the cell wall. And the second category is the plasma and also the plasma. The two parts, they have also the two categories, the plasma. And the third is the mitochondria. You know what's the meaning of the mitochondria? We have also learned in the previous class. Yes, the mitochondria we have also known, basically it's also the laboratory of the cell. Yes, and the next topic is the nucleus. Here's the nucleus, here's also the nucleus and also the nucleus. So, two cells, they have also the nucleus and also please, my dear students, just remarks the plant cell and also the animal cell. Here's the plant cell, it have the vacuole, is the large vacuole, but they have no in the vacuole. And main topics, basically main topics, the chloroplast. Yes, it's also the big difference. Basically the chloroplast, the plant cell have the chloroplast, but animal cell they have no any chloroplast. And also lysosome. Plant cell have the lysosome and also the animal cell also the lysosome. So we have also compared basically two cell, plant cell and also the animal cell. Now the next structure I have just also the select the cell wall. Basically plant cell have the cell wall, but animal cell they have no any cell wall. Now everyone see the books, what's the meaning of the cell wall and the chemical based on the cell wall. Here's the cell wall, my dear students. First category is the cell wall. Cell wall is a unique feature of a plant cell. It is composed of the inert materials and there is no cell wall in animal cell. The chemical composition of a cell wall is the complex. Basically, cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, lignin and suberin are the chemical components of the plant cell. Again, bacterial cell. Please everyone underline the structure, the animal cell. Here's the bacterial cell. A bacterial cell wall is composed of protein, lipid and also the polysaccharides. But the fungal structure and also the fungal cell wall is the made up of the chitin. So, my dear students, we have also known that there are the cell wall, the three categories. If the plant cell, they have also the cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, lignin, suberin. The bacterial cell, they have also the protein, lipid and also the polysaccharide. And the fungal cell, they have also the chitin. My dear students, the assignment based topics I have just also explained now. The plastic. Have you any idea about the plastic? Basically plastic, there are three structure or the three categories. First category is the chloroplast. I have also write this, the chloroplast. Chloro, that means the green structure. And second is the chromo, CHROMO, and also the colorful structure, colorful pigments, and leukoplast. Leuko, colorless. Now, we have also learned the chloroplast and also the plastid. A plastid is an important organelle for a plant cell. The main functions of a plastid are to produce the store food, cause the appealing and colorful appearances of flowers, fruits and leaves of plants. Flowers with appealing colors helps pollinate plants. There are three categories of plastids: chloroplast, chromoplast and leukoplast. Figure 2.06, I have also drawn the chloroplast. Here's the chloroplast. They are also first structure is the stroma. Yes, the stroma is the jelly-like structure, the liquid substances. And second is the outer layer and also the inner layer. Outer layer and also inner layer, they are two layer also smooth structure. And this structure is the plate-shaped structure. The another name is the grana. Granum and grana, and all grana and granum, they are together the thylakoid. My dear students, now please everyone see the books, the chloroplast. A green plastids are called chloroplast. They are formed in the cells of leaves and young stems and other green parts of a plant. If they are the plant cells, they have also the chloroplast. It's also green shaped structure. The grana of a plastid capture solar energy and convert it into chemical energy. The bioenergetics topics, we have also know how can they form the carbohydrates from the sunlight and also carbon dioxide. Now, with the help of enzymes in stroma, the solar energy helps produce simple carbohydrates from cellular water and carbon dioxide taken from air. Now, this type of plastids looks green because it has the chlorophyll. Carotenoids are also present in them. So, my dear students, it's also very important topics for your SSC exam. Next structure, colorful structure, the chromoplast. Here's the chromoplast. Chromoplasts are colored but are not green. The photosynthetic pigments, first structure xanthophyll, second is the carotene, phycoerythrin, phycocyanin, etc. present in them, and so some of them are. First structure is the xanthophyll. The formation of xanthophyll, the another category is the yellow. This structure is the yellow type pigments. Second is the carotene. Carotene, that means also the another structure is the, it has also carrot and orange type structure. This structure is the orange type structure. Phycoerythrin, it also red type structure, and phycocyanin is also the blue type structure. So we have also decided that the chromoplast, the another type is the colorful and the luxurious shape structure. Again, the yellow, some of them are blue and others too. The flowers, leaves and other parts of a plant have their other attractive colorful appearance because of these pigments. They are found in colored flower, leaf and carrot root. The main purpose is to make flowers attractive for pollination. They also synthesize and store different types of photosynthetic pigments. Last structure is the leukoplast and also the colorless structure. In contrast to other plastids, leukoplasts are non-pigmented. They are usually found in the cells of plant parts where sunlight does not reach. For example, root, gametes and embryo. Please everyone underline these lines. First structure is also state, the root, gametes and embryo. Their main function is the storage of food. Leukoplasts can be transformed into chromoplasts or chloroplasts when they come in contact with sunlight. My dear students, I have also selected that basically it's also the revision topics. Here's the revision topics and also the assignment based topics. Here's the assignment based topics. We have also know the differentiate between the plant cell and the animal cell. We have also know what's the organelles have the plant cell and what's the organelles they are also the animal cell. And we have also explained the another topics. Basically, it's also very important topics for the assignment based topics. First structure is the plastic. Here's the plastids. We have also known the three categories of plastids. First is the chloroplast, second is the chromoplast, and third is the leukoplast. And we have also draw a structure. It's also important structure or important figure. It's also the chloroplast. My dear students, I think that's all today. Goodbye.